We're ending the week much different than how we began it. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Temperatures in the 70s to near 80 degrees on the mainland here in the noontime hour. Just along the shore, we cooler and we do have a good amount of sunshine. Much different than where we were on Monday, where we saw raw, gray, and wet weather and temperatures about 20 degrees cooler than what you're seeing there. There is some rain on the radar at noontime, but we have rain to the north, rain to the south, and we're getting mist here, and we will have a dry afternoon. But as we go later into the day today, some of these showers, there's actually a cold front right here. It's going to try to pass through and bring us a shower or a storm between 6 to 10 p.m. And there's actually a risk for severe weather out just getting into Cumberland County here. Marginal risk. That's the lowest of the 5 risk levels. Damaging wind gusts or hail is not ruled out, but more than likely all of this is staying into the yellow region, into into Maryland and Virginia, where they are in a level 2 of 5 risk, or a slight risk. We are in a risk for coastal flooding, though, over the next couple of p.m. high tides. See, LBI and Cape May are the spots during the Friday p.m. and the Saturday p.m. high tides. This is barely getting into minor flood stage, though. I don't anticipate many issues here, but if you do see flooded water, make sure not to drive through it, as it is salt water and it will corrode your car. Going into the afternoon, temperatures a little bit warmer. We're getting to the 70s pretty much everywhere here across the area. Only exceptions, Atlantic City 69, 66 over at LBI. LBI is typically the cool spot in South Jersey during the spring and summer. Partly sunny sky, a little bit breezy from the southwest turning to the west. Pollen count here, moderates across the board. If you are allergic to mold, bring the tissues here, as it is on the high side. Very mild for tonight. You can leave the windows open. It will be pretty good sleeping weather here, besides that isolated storm between 6 to 10 p.m. Maybe it gets in your windows still a little bit, but otherwise turning clear here. Winds turn to the north and east. And then for Saturday, all this warmth is getting ready to be unleashed into the area Sunday and Monday, but for us, we have a northeasterly wind. Thankfully, though, it is mid-May, and when we do have a completely sunny sky like we will have in CLC for Community Day, that means temperatures even at the shore in the mid-60s. That's where we'll peak in the late morning, and then they'll drop down to near 60 degrees as we go into the afternoon. We also have Mayfest in Smithville. Plenty of sunshine again. Going to be warm on the mainland with temperatures in the mid-70s. That is just about average for this time of year. On Sunday, we'll go a little bit above average. 80 on the mainland here with a south to southeast wind. Most of your day is going to be dry, and I would say a good majority of you are going to actually be completely dry for the day. It's just going to be one of these popcorn kind of showers and storms that can flare up mainly during the afternoon and early evening, feeling more like summer here as we go into our last weekend of the off season before Memorial Day weekend comes. Mainland 7-day forecast, we will be cooking on Monday here. A couple of showers and storms around during the afternoon hours, and as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday, plentiful sunshine, high pressure in store. And then all questions are, what happens as we go into Memorial Day weekend? I'll tell you this, it does look like Thursday looks to be the wettest day in that Thursday to next Monday time frame. Won't give you the exact specifics yet, we just don't know them, but it does look relatively dry for Memorial Day weekend. Minor flood stage at times throughout the next couple of high tides here. Otherwise, temperatures, you can see at the shore here, 60s and 70s. For latest in South Jersey weather, you can find me on social media, as well as our website, thepressopac.com/weather, where we will be talking all about what's going to happen this weekend.